Some dishes are at their best in their simplicity.
And spaghetti alla Vongole is the perfect example of that.
Oh, this is a restaurant quality meal that comes together in less than 30 minutes.
Oh, it is the pasta lover's dream come true.
It is. I dream about this dish.
Every bite.
It's so unbelievably good.
So
and
good.
It's so easy. Okay, let's get going.
Let's do
I've
it.
got 3 tablespoons of, no, let me just say this now before we get going. There's only a handful of ingredients. So what does that mean? You want to use good quality,
best.
top notch.
Yes.
Don't skimp on, because, you know, so we've got good quality olive oil here. I've got
Good quality garlic.
good quality. I go for the best garlic in town. No, but there's a decent amount. So there's one of the main ingredients of basically this is pasta with a white clam sauce.
There it is.
Yeah, Vongole is the Italian way of saying with clams.
Vongole.
But anyway, garlic is really important to this dish, as is the wine and the clams. So I like to go with 8 cloves. That may seem like a lot, but it just matches perfectly.
It's so good with the white wine.
The white wine and the briny clams.
Oh.
I've done it before. I once went crazy and did it with 16 cloves and
I love it.
I do too. I do too.
Just don't go to the theater afterwards.
That's right. That's right. Okay, we're gonna let this cook until it gets nice and soft and starts to brown just a little bit. Probably just about 2 or 3 minutes more. Okay, you see how this is starting to brown a little bit? Which
Lovely.
Is perfect. So this is 3 pounds of littleneck clams that we are going to steam, and they're going to open up. So let's talk pasta.
Look at this pasta, y'all. We go to Whole Foods to get our pasta here in the States, and this is some great organic dried pasta.
Spaghetti. Again, just go for some good top quality.
And I'm just going to drop these in here.
And this all comes together very quickly, so you need to have your mise en place ready. So I've got a cup of good quality dry white wine. Wine is essential to this dish, so I know lots of folks are going to say, well, what? I don't want to cook with wine. You could do like clam juice, you could do a good seafood stock, but there's something about the white wine. Like 99.9% of the alcohol is going to cook away, and boy, oh boy, is it good. So
all right, I'm good there.
Good. So that pasta, that version takes about 12 minutes. This is going to take about 8 minutes for this to steam, and those clams, it already smells so good, are just going to pop right
And
open.
I love using the clear top because you could watch them
You
pop.
can watch, So that should take about 8 to 10 minutes, and then it all comes together. Oh,
Those are.
this is a thing of beauty.
I loved sitting here watching them pop open.
I know. Just that way, it is. If you can get a glass cover to your skillet, that's really get the kids in, everyone to watch. Now, aren't these beautiful? So these took about I would say 9, 10-ish minutes, and we're going to remove most of these. You don't have to do
some
this
of them.
because. I think it makes for a nice presentation. And then when we're going to put the pasta in there.
You want to put some on top.
Yeah, now you see, really all of these have opened up. So these are littleneck clams, very common in Italians. We're not Italian, so please correct us if we're wrong. But from what we've got some pretty amazing seafood Italian chef friends. The cockles are very, very popular.
And they're smaller.
They're smaller, and they've got like a greenish hint to them. And okay,
Listen to me.
suddenly he's the chef of clams.
No, you don't.
Anyway, I got these. One thing you want to be careful of when you're getting any kind of like shellfish is that if they're from nature in all of her glory, they can have some sand and some grit. Oh boy, if we had some of those, we're like, ooh,
At least you know they're fresh.
Yeah, they're fresh. These that we got from Whole Foods here in the States, if you can get yours from, say, the Long Island Sound or something like that, then go for it. But otherwise, there are some technique that you can do to pull that sand and that grit out, which I will include in the description. Okay, now I'm multitasking.
Now these are a lot larger than the cockles. The cockles are smaller, and if these were smaller, we could leave a bunch in there and just mix it in with the pasta.
Yeah. So Wesley really likes to leave a lot of the clams in there.
I do. Just mix it all up.
Go get me my.
You need your pot holders.
Yeah, my pot holders. So my pasta has been going now. Just read the packages. You usually want to let to go like about a minute less than what the package instructions say, because you want to have it nice and al dente, and it's going to continue cooking while it's in the sauce over here, a little bit, not a whole lot. So this is, and this wasn't a full pound. This was about 13 ounces.
There we go.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
That's like, is that just not like?
That's so exciting. I love it so much.
I know. Now, before you drain, I've got a pot over here, so I'm gonna keep some of this pasta water, just because, depending on how much sauce you need, I'm gonna try not to spill that. You may want to add some more pasta water. Okay.
Oh, yay, look at that.
I don't think we're gonna need more pasta water. Okay, so now you saw earlier I added some salt. Another really thing you got to be careful of is obviously we salted our water for our pasta. So you go with a little bit. I did a teaspoon just because I know how much I had before in the water. But you don't want to oversalt it because once that happens, then you've ruined this amazing dish. Oh, you can smell that.
It smells so good, y'all. What about a little bit of that? What about some red pepper flakes?
Yes, we're gonna do red pepper and we're gonna do black pepper too. We're gonna do some fresh ground.
Oh, good.
Pepper. And some people, I know, will add butter to their alle Vongole, and we have talked to other chefs who says that is almost a sin. I love butter and everything, but this is just one of those dishes that you just need to let the clams do the speaking for themselves. So, all right.
Are we ready for me to get some pasta?
Yes, I've just been talking and talking and talking.
That's all right. Give me some of this and I'll put some on top.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, yum.
This is one of those dishes. It's getting warm outside, and there's something about a summer evening with like clam sauce.
Oh,
it's just so.
There you go.
Now let me give you a little more of that
sauce.
Yeah. Lemon juice is nice. I think it's great added just at the last bit. You know, have a lemon slice available so you can squeeze. You want a little more?
No, I think that's good. There's a lot in the bottom there.
Okay.
Yes.
Boy, this is so good. And you can just serve it straight from the skillet like this. Everyone is gonna, here, help me out a little bit.
Yep. Oh, do you need help?
I would be nice. I'm feeding you. Okay. On those clams.
About
I know you are. That's okay. Now, one thing you definitely want to make sure you don't want to do is overcook these clams. Yeah, let me get a little salt. If you overcook the clams, once those pop open, they're ready to go. You don't want to overdo it, otherwise they get rubbery and overcooked, and that's not good.
No.
That's not good at all.
Hold on, I'm gonna put in a few extra of these guys. Oh, y'all.
Yeah.
Look at that. Gotta get my
do
lemon.
A little more of this. Yeah, you definitely want some lemon.
And where's that red pepper flakes?
The red pepper flakes.
Yes, please.
Some of these. And what you can also do, this is what I was gonna do, but Wesley wouldn't let me do it, is you can also pull the clams out of the shells and serve them that way. I've done that before, and that's wonderful. I like doing a mix of the two.
All right, I'm putting in some red pepper flakes. I like it a little hot. You could have sauteed some peppers with the garlic.
Yeah, you could. But again, it's all about the clams. All right.
All right.
I got to clam up.
Wow, that is so fast.
I got to clam up and stop talking and start eating.
I was waiting for the clam joke.
Oh, I'm clamoring for these jokes. Oh.
Look at that. I got to, you know what, I'm just going to get one of that. Get some.
I like to get a spoon, do it the old, like you're down in Little Italy.
Oh, guys. All right, you tell me when, Chris.
Let's go.
Oh, wow.
That is just, it's such an elevated flavor combination.
Wow. That is simple ingredients.
But good, like that's good pasta. The clam, it's not fishy tasting.
Oh, I gotta have another clam. Oh, that's so good.
You guys, we're just sitting here eating.
Oh.
Yeah. We should be sitting on the sidewalk
on Tuscany or something like that.
Tuscany or on the Italian coast.
Yes. Oh. The Italian Riviera. All right, this.
It's what?
This is so good, y'all. This is 100,000% Loon approved. It is so good.
I'm in love with it. I'm in love with everything about it. It heats nicely. It's wonderful. It's just so much fun to make.
Guys, and it's pretty. It's so pretty.
It's elegant.
It's simple and pretty, just like me.
Well, simple. All right, bye, everybody. We love you.
We love you. Bye.
Don't clam up and make clams.